All right, so what we're gonna do today is my third hive, my small one. You might have seen it in my last videos. That one ended up failing. So I got a bunch of frames left with honey on them, and we're gonna put it down here in front of the big hive and see if it gets any attention, because I was gonna render the wax out of it, but I'd rather have them clean it up. So I'm gonna set them in there and see if they end up going after it. We got this hive right here, this frame right here, all full of honey. We got a little bit in this one. We got this comb that has a bunch of honey in it. So we're gonna see if they'll go after this one. They kind of came after me a minute. Got a whole bunch of honey in this one. And then a bunch down in here. So we're just gonna pretty much let these sit here and see if they go after it. Figure I'll bring the camera back down. Yeah, they definitely notice this is here. So we'll just bring this up and show you. There's a little fly over there. But yeah, they're definitely eating up the honey. So like I said before, it took them like 2 hours to find it, and now they're actually going bonkers over it. So I'll let them eat up the honey, and I'll keep the frames for myself. They were completely flying around me right now, and they just do not care, which is great. And I'll eventually render the wax, so we'll do that next.